Hello, I'm John Estrem, CEO of Hammer Residences. It's hard to believe just a few months ago, none of us knew what COVID was, and we're certainly not thinking about a pandemic and how it would change our lives. During these weeks now, stretching into months, there have been moments of fear, moments of anxiety, but mostly we at Hammer have had profound daily moments of gratitude. First of all, to our staff, who already work in difficult circumstances, who already don't get paid enough to do the work that they do, and now have had to totally remake how they support all the people that we do support. They have been amazing in their creativity, in their energy, and in their dedication. And I'm so grateful to all of our staff. We have had a couple of cases among the people we support of positive tests for COVID-19. Not too many, considering that we support over 280 people every day. Fortunately, none of those people are showing any signs or symptoms of the disease. They are, as the medical profession says, asymptomatic, which is very good news. We have the resources to monitor them closely, to take vital signs, to pay attention to oxygen levels, and we're doing that diligently. We also were fortunate to have gathered an ample supply of PPE equipment, and so staff in those settings are using that equipment. We're coming to the end, for many of them, of that 2-week quarantine period, and we're grateful that no one has shown any signs or symptoms of the disease. We're going to continue doing what we've been doing at Hammer: social distancing, ensuring that people are not going out into the community except for maybe for a walk or to a park where they can keep the appropriate distance. All of our staff wearing masks all the time, and not, unfortunately, allowing visitors into the homes. We're still under a stay-at-home order from the governor. And even when that order expires, we're going to be very slow about reopening our homes and apartments, simply because many of the people we support have other underlying medical conditions that we must pay attention to. In addition to thanking our staff, I want to thank our many incredible volunteers. Volunteers who have continued to stay engaged with the people we support, often through cards and letters, through FaceTime, through other ways of staying connected to the people we support. We've also had volunteers make well over 2,000 masks that allow our staff to have multiple ones to ensure as much safety as possible in the homes. And we've had other volunteers provide meals and provide equipment for parties and all sorts of things. And we're so grateful for the great support that we receive in this community. This week is also Give at Home Minnesota, and I would be remiss not to thank our many donors who have stepped up in this time and made it possible for Hammer to continue operating without any interruption. We're grateful for your support. Give at Home Minnesota is a unique program during this time, during this week, to encourage Minnesotans across the state to support nonprofits that are important, especially important in this time. So I encourage you, if you are able, to support the nonprofits in your community, the nonprofits that are close to your heart, whether it's Hammer or some other nonprofit. We all need a strong nonprofit community to continue to serve those who are in need. Every day I wish this was over, but it's not. And it's not going to be for a while, it appears to be. But we're going to stay the course, we're going to be smart, and we're going to continue to be cautious at Hammer. I'm grateful for the ways that you have supported us in the measures that we have taken. Again, thank you for all that you are doing. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Know that we are working hard to keep everyone safe and happy and engaged with one another. We're grateful for your support. Thank you.